my lovelies, it's Leah. Happy Friday. Welcome to the weekend. Do you have any plans? If you do, comment, let me know what you're up to. The weather's been beautiful here, so lovely and sunny. Oh, I just feel spring, it's on its way and it just makes me so happy. I've got bags of energy and my mojo level has just gone through the roof. So I hope I can give you some positive energy. So today we are talking about a new subscription box that I decided to try. This one is Anonymous Jewellery. Apologies if I'm not saying anonymous correctly. I just struggle with some words, even at my age. I struggle with the word shoulder, for goodness sake. I really have to think about how you pronounce it in order to say it. My head says one thing, but my mouth says another. So apologies. And just for shortness, I think we'll call it AJ. Should we call it AJ? Anonymous Jewellery, AJ? Okay, so it gets delivered like this in a little pink box. It's got a little bag with all the delivery information on there. Which is pretty cool because it fits through your letterbox and it ain't going to get damaged. So I quite like that idea. It's pretty cool. So just a little bit about the subscription. So it's a monthly subscription basically. There's different options. I'll go through best I can, but you know, if you're interested, as I always say, just go on their website, look for yourself, just so you know you've got your head around exactly what I'm trying to say, because I'm not always the best person at trying to explain myself. I have wrote it down just so you know that this is what I'm looking at when I'm looking down. Okay, so the subscription works on, this is for 2 pieces of jewellery and 1 month prepaid, 2 pieces, £13.50. 2 months prepaid, 2 pieces, £27. 3 month prepaid, 2 pieces, £40.50. Then they do a 1 month prepaid, 3 pieces, £16. 2 month prepaid, 3 pieces, £32. 3 month prepaid, 3 pieces, £48. And they do another one, which is a 1 month prepaid, 4 pieces, £18. 2 months, 4 pieces, £36. 3 month, 4 pieces, £54. It is free P&P and takes about 7 to 10 working days to get here. Once you go on their website, and also there is no direct debit with this. You will literally have your delivery, and if you feel like you want it a different one or whatever, you just go back on the website and reorder it. So it's no monthly direct debit, comes out of your account, which I think is amazing. So you haven't got to worry about, you know, if you want to miss a month or you can't afford it, don't worry. Once you're on the site, you pick the subscription that you want that I've just said about. You then fill out a short style profile. They will be simple questions like your styling, your age group, for instance, what sort of metal tone you like, silver, gold, or mixed. You can even have a mixed one. They also ask you to put any further information on. So for instance, if you don't have your ears pierced and you don't want to receive earrings, just pop it down. So the worst thing you want is 3 pairs of earrings and you can't actually wear them. And I also pop down my ring sizes as well. First order is normally shipped out within 5 working business days, and from then after, they're normally sent out on the 12th of each month. So that's about it. It's a young lady, she's 28, she likes subscription boxes, she founded the company. When she came out of university, she wasn't quite sure what she wanted to do. So AJ has been around since around about June 2017. Okay, so shall we get into the box and see what we have got? So excited! At least I know this is going to fit. Not like clothes. Oh, okay. really? Right, okay, so just looking in the box, do you guys want to have a look? So, oh, I've got some paperwork here. We've got a pretty leaflet thing here, another pretty leaflet thing here, and these are the jewellery items. Oh my God, they're so sweet. So, let's have a look at the paperwork first. I've got such an itchy nose. So basically it just says sometimes we like to match our outfits with the weather or our jewellery with our mood. It's quite nice. And this is AJ Care Tips, how to look after it, because obviously it's not real silver, gold and etc. So, you know, I suppose it is like costume jewellery. So it just gives you the care tips on the back there. And then this piece of paper is, okay, so this is basically just saying, I got a 1 month prepaid jewellery, 3 pieces of jewellery. So that just kind of says what it is. I'm not going to show it because it's got my address details and stuff on there. So it comes in a little pack like this. So as you can see, these are pretty little earrings. Let's have a look. Oh, these are nice. Such a shame because you're probably not going to see how pretty these are. They've got little stones in, which I would assume are probably something like a cubic zirconia. I'm so sorry guys, but that's really blurry, isn't it? But you get the idea, right? Oh, these are so nice. Shall I pop them in? Oh, I love these. They are so cute. They're delicate. They're pretty. They sparkle. Oh, I can't get this one in, guys. Oh, is it going? Yes. There we are. Oh wow, I really like these. I think I've actually got that in a different one from that one. I'll sort it out. Anyway, you get the ideas, right guys? How pretty are they? Good. And then this one we have, I think is this a necklace or maybe, oh it is a necklace, it's quite long. So this is a pretty necklace. Oh, it's a layered one. How pretty is that? Let's have a look. Oh, I really do like this. This is so, it's so me as well. This is exactly the sort of thing I would wear. I mean, guys, you can pick the, it does say on there somewhere that you can pick like pieces of jewellery and this stylist will try and, but the whole idea of, I think, with subscription boxes is I like the element of surprise. Okay, guys, can you see how pretty that is? I mean, it's lovely. I'm really impressed with this. Really pretty. Wow. And then we have what looks like another necklace, which you know that you know this is going to go perfect with these earrings and the other one. Or no, me, I'd probably put the two necklaces on together just to have a bit more layered effect. Wow. I'm really, oh no, this is a bracelet. So you've got the whole, you've got the earrings. Oh my God, that is so cute. Look. I am actually loving this. This is such a nice subscription box. This is one that I will Definitely. I mean, I'm trying a few out, but obviously when my channel stabilizes, obviously I can't keep every single subscription box. So I'm just kind of trying to find a niche that I really like and hope that you guys like and would like to see me review and show you each month what the boxes, you know. I really like this service and I would definitely keep this one going. Now, I don't understand because when I initially signed up for this, I couldn't actually get the 4 pieces. It was out of stock. I'm not sure how it could be out of stock. However, I got this one for £14. £14.40. Oh, I think I got some... Did I get a discount? I'm pretty sure I got a discount on this. I'll have to have a look. And if there is a code, I'll pop it in the description. So you can obviously get the discount should you wish to sign up for it. It's worth considering, guys. I think it's really nice. It's pretty, it's delicate, it's gorgeous. Okay, so if you like this video, if you like the items, comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Right, now quickly, just onto the giveaway. Again, I've got notes because I just can't remember anything. My head just doesn't process information very well. So onto the giveaway. To enter, 1, you must be 18 or over to apply. 2, you must subscribe or be a subscriber to my channel. 3, you must put the year I mentioned in the anonymous jewellery video. And add a comment why you like my channel. 4, the winner will be picked randomly. There are 2 prizes, box A, box B. You're welcome to add your box preference in the comment. And this is just basically a little bit of fun. Please don't take it all seriously. And, you know, if I've forgotten to do something, I'll learn for next time. Closing date will be on the 25th of February, which is Monday coming. Winners are to make contact with me via email address, which I will leave my email address in the description, and it must be claimed within 48 hours. If no contact is made, I will select a winner again until they're claimed. This is a bit of fun, not to be taken seriously. If I've missed something out I should have said, then please comment in the box. Winner's name will be announced via a comment in the box by myself. Good luck. So, should we say this is box A? And inside, whoever wins this will receive the Jessica, what's her face? What's her name? Sarah Jessica Parker perfume sample. We've got the mitt, Saint-Tropez mitt. We've got the shampoo conditioner. We've got the Saint-Tropez spray, and we've got this, which is Sanctuary Spa wet skin moisturizer stuff. Okay, so that is going to be box A. So if you want to enter, ask for box A. I can't guarantee that you will win box A. I can't guarantee you're going to win any of them, but if there is a preference for me to send to you, then obviously say. And we'll say box B for this one, okay? And inside here, you will receive the soapy stuff, some very cute bubbles. We've got this. We've got this. 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 We've got the scrubby thing. Okay, so that's box B. And that's about all I can tell you about it. So I wish you all good luck. Don't forget the rules. I will put them in the description box so you can remind yourselves. Okay, that's about it then. It's you know, it's all done. So wish you all good luck. Thank you guys for subscribing and supporting me in my new channel. It means a lot to me. Have yourselves a really good weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.